Guys, I'm gonna put some LED lights onto the Yamaha R3. I already have some on there. I'm gonna put 2 more that I have. Let's get going. I'm gonna put one literally behind the frame right here, and the other one will be right up front, right underneath. So you can see I have some on the sides. But I want to have one right on top to be going down in front of the lights. Alright guys, you want to have this clean, really clean. To have the 3M tape on the LED light to be able to stick on there. So I'm going to put it right behind this frame. Put some alcohol. Clean that area really good. It's only what is it, a 3-inch LED light. So alright, there we go. Not much dirt. Not much dirt. So here's the LED kit I got. Got this on eBay. Pretty good. It's all pre-wired. Clips on already. You can do your own custom ones, but I don't have too much time. It's pretty quick and simple. So 3-inch. Go. Now, I'm gonna put this. Yeah, a lot of fun. So there we go. So literally it'll be from here to here. It's going to be shining the light in. All this will be behind, so it'll be perfect. It won't be getting in the way of anything. So that. Clip. Sure it does not get in the way. Pretty much these wires are long enough to go throughout the bike. I thought it would, it's not going to be, but it's good. Connected. Nice, out of the way, tuck them down. There. And there. There we go. Now I only have one more connector. There we go. One more connector. That's connected. Now the front. This kit was not too expensive. It's a 12-piece motorcycle car. Multiple lights, multiple combination, flash, whatever you want. It's pretty good. I got the kit for because I'll be driving at night, so that's an extra precaution. So, alright, let's go to the front. So like I said, it'll be going underneath. So I'm gonna put it dead center pretty much. So let's just clean out the area. There's not much dirt. And alcohol dries really quick, so no. No. These LED strips are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting into it. So now I'm literally gonna tuck it. Literally, there's a channel here I can run it to. That's literally tucked in there, so you can never see it. Now, try to get the wires from here. There you go. So that's pretty much how it's coming out. So now I need to bring this wire all the way down here underneath the frame. It should be good. It'll be connected. Just that one and that one. Alright. Connected everything. The lights are on. You can see perfect. I was looking for this right now. It's shining onto the shock, back of the engine, the middle of the frame, back of the tires, perfect. The bottom of the engine, front. You got the front of the motorcycle. Perfect. Top, shining right on top of the tire here. Got glowing in here. Tuck that in. Make sure everything is perfect. I was gonna put one back here, right behind this frame, but there's a chain. It's gonna get dirty, and also it's on the other side. It's perfect. For a 12 pack, for the much money I paid for, not bad, not bad. Overall, it's looking pretty good. Here's my set. Blue, look at that. I'll go through them. Then you got dimmable. There you go. Thank you for watching. Sorry, it's a bit cold. Put in some LED lights, some framework, so remote and everything. I'm gonna tuck everything back in. The only stuff I have left will be this part of the fairing, the side, and I'm pretty much done. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, let me know which other video you want to see. So catch you later, guys.